So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Solve, where we try to solve your tech related query. So today we are going to show you how to log into Coventry Building Society UK. So at first, open any web browser application on your device. As I am using Google Chrome, I'll simply open the Google Chrome application. After opening the Google Chrome application, go to the navigation bar and search for Coventry Building Society.uk. Then it will lead you to the Coventry Building Society homepage. At the homepage, you'll see at the top right corner the login button. Simply tap on it. After tapping, you will see the login page where you will see the text box where it says the username, formerly web ID. If you have already registered for the online services, you will get the username for your bank account, or if you have registered for it, you will see the not registered for online services. Simply tap on it and follow the instruction properly, then you will successfully register. Then you will get your username. After that, enter the username on the username section, then tap on next. Or if you want to remember your username by device, simply tap on remember my username. Or you are using the shared device or not your personal device, I prefer not to use it. So after filling the username options, simply tap on next, then you will be successfully logged into the Coventry Building Society Bank UK. So that's it for today. Hope you liked our video and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.